My name is Lewis. I'm with Elite Brick Masonry. We had to take a pillar all the way down to the foundation. We knock it down to the foundation, rebuild it back up, and our main concern is restoration. We want to take something that was here 80 years ago, and we wanted to make it look like it was just built like it was. In Michigan, we have really bad winters. So when all that water gets in during the wintertime, it freezes, expands, and contracts. When that starts to get really loose, you can't patch anything like that anymore. So what you need to do is make sure that everything is taken off and either rebuilt or reset so that the structure is strong to uphold our Michigan winters.